We can't check into 2 o'clock. It's now just gone 1, so we've got about an hour to kill. There's a coffee shop here. I don't know.
Where are we?
I was going to say, I don't know if you want to tell them where we are yet.
Rancho Upas. Rancho Upas. No, it's
No, Rancho.
C is a ch, so Rancho Upas. What is going on over here? Sorry, I got distracted. I don't know what's happening. What's going on, guys? That took away from the peace and tranquility.
I love it. I love it.
So this is Warang Kopi. I'm gonna go with Gunung. Warang Kopi Gunung. It's like looks like shipping